Ahoy! And jolly Friday, me mates and fellow Pastafarians. Today, we contemplate a sacred ritual of personal engagement, a practice so intimate that it requires no partner, yet so universal that nearly everyone pretends it is purely metaphorical. Today, be self-stimulation day. Self-stimulation, as the noodly elders politely call it, is the deliberate act of checking in with oneself. A kind of internal knock on the captain's door, if you will, followed by the question, am I adequately attended to? The flying spaghetti monster, in his infinite noodliness, understands that each pirate must occasionally take matters into his own hands, so to speak. Not out of selfishness, mind you, but out of a need for self-maintenance. Ships left entirely untouched tend to creak, seize, or develop odd behaviors at inopportune times. And yet, balance, dear friends, balance. Too much attention paid inwardly, and one risks becoming distracted, late to duty, or suspiciously tired despite having done nothing all evening. Too little, and the body grows tense, the temper short, and the mind prone to wandering when it really ought not to. The flying spaghetti monster, therefore, suggests a middle path. Engage, but do not fixate. Explore, but do not abandon all other interests. Take time for yourself, but not all the time for yourself. We are reminded, as well, that timing and setting matter. A well-chosen moment brings clarity and calm. A poorly chosen moment brings awkward explanations and lifelong memories for the wrong people. When practiced wisely, this quiet ritual can restore focus, lift spirits, and leave one feeling strangely optimistic about the day ahead. When practiced unwisely, well, let us simply say that even the flying spaghetti monster occasionally looks away and mutters, perhaps now would be a good time for a walk. So, on this most reflective of days, may you know yourself, but not too intensely. Care for yourself, but not excessively. And return to the world centered, content, and ready to face others with patience and a faint smile of satisfaction. Ramen. Aye, aye, and goodbye.